Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Welcome to my channel, Homeowner Repair, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the headlight bulb from a 2001 Ford Ranger. This should be the same procedure from a 2001 all the way up to a 2007 Ford Ranger. I'll show you a couple of tips and tricks along the way that some of the other videos on the internet I've left out. And before I roll into that, remember, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. You don't want to miss anything. I got a lot of great content coming out every week. It's all kinds of stuff on how to fix things around your home, maybe your swimming pool, RVs, ATVs. There's always something that breaks around your house and you're trying to enjoy yourself. So we cover quite a lot over here. So let's get rolling on this stuff and I'll show you what to do. Alright, so what you want to do when you're taking the headlight out is you're going to want to remove these two bolts right here. They're 7/32. You're going to need a 7/32 socket. And if you have like a ratchet, just throw one on a ratchet. I'm going to use my cordless drill right here to kind of make it faster. I'll take it off in 1 second. If you don't take this plastic trim off, if you remove the headlight, you can break this piece of plastic. It can get pretty brittle over the years, so you don't want to risk doing that. So I'm going to tell you to remove it. And other than that, it's a pretty simple process. This will come right off, just like that. And then to remove the headlight, there's two slides behind it. So you're going to pull up on this slide, and there's a tab over here. You're going to pull up on that tab. Now, one thing to be careful of is if you pull these tabs too far up, the headlight won't come out because it'll catch on these tabs. If that is the case, push them down a little bit, and the headlight should fall right out just like that for you. I don't want to have you guys make any rookie mistakes. So you pull this right out like that. So to remove and service the headlight bulb, I'm going to move the turn light signal out of place. I'll unplug that. So right here, there's a collar on this. So what you need to do is twist the collar. That'll move out of your way. And then the headlight bulb should pull right out. And then you don't want to touch the bulb. You want to wear gloves with this. There's a clip right down the bottom here. So right here, there's a little clip. So you can use your fingers or a small screwdriver. You can pry up on the clip, and the bulb should easily slide right out for you. Just like that. Then to replace the bulb, you're just going to put your new bulb in. Be careful not to touch the bulb. You should do this with gloves. It'll snap right into place. Keep that collar on there. Then on the back of the headlight, this can be a little tricky. It can be a little bit of a pain. You're going to see a few dimples inside the headlight socket, inside the housing. On the bulb, line up those. There's like two on the bottom and one at the top. So right here, you'll see those openings. You got to kind of line them up to make sure that they're in there right. Because if not, you'll be pulling the hair out of your head. So once those are lined up, you can kind of push the bulb back into place. And if it bites here a little bit, make sure it's lined up. Just like that. Take your collar and put it on. You lock the collar. That's back into place. Alright, so just put the headlight assembly back in. There's a couple little tabs in there. These little tabs right here, there's three of them. There's little, they're not tabs, they're pins. So there's one here, there's one down on the other side, and here it's hard to see it. Shine some light down there. It's down over here, and this one at the top left over here. What there is there's three holes in there you got to line them up with. So you can see one of the holes right down there. There's another one near the top, and there's one on the other side to line up. So you're going to line those up and push the headlight assembly back in. Since you have them lined up, I'll line my top one up right there. It should go right back into place for you. And then the locking tabs, you're going to slide those down. This on that side. And push this in, and lock down on that side. Now we're back in business. So now that you've done that, put that trim piece back on. You're gonna line it up. Grab the screws you took out. That's back together. So that's pretty much it. It's pretty easy to do on this truck. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like I said, if you have any comments or question, leave a comment and I'll reply back to you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again next time.